Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you. We came back to you again in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin or Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. So, as you see, guys, what we got here, also we are here in the weekly, and as you see that weekly candle here, what's it doing to us? I tell you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. I tell you, till now there is nothing yet confirmed, unless if it give us here like that a W, and the price of the Bitcoin to come with another candle next week maybe to break for us that 200 moving average. That one I'm talking about. Let me zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. I'm talking about that here as you see it. We will need a candle to come and to close above the 200 moving average, the one with blue. That one, the 200 moving average, the simple one applied to close is the normal setting. So it needs to come back another candle and to close above it. That's when we are going to be sure the market is changed from a bear market to a bull market. Till now, us we still in a bear market, guys. It might that one just a trap, a correction, then after that is going to give us another low than that one. And I show you all those things before. What did I told you? I told you, look here, the market was it give you here. It give you here a low, here a high. It might that one to be low, but how we going to confirm it? It's need the market to come upward and to break for us the last high. That how we going to know the market is doing like that. High, low, and another high. The market is changing his direction. Till now there is nothing confirming that. And me, I know I've been in the market for long, guys. I got more than 20 years trading. I'm not someone who got 10 years or something. I'm 40 plus. Look what happened here. Here, he give you here, that the high. And he came down here, that the low. Now, either one of two to come upward to break for us that last high here, then also we're going to be sure the market is changing its direction. Or that one here is just a trap. It will come till the 200 moving average here to touch it. And the moving average here is going to be like a resistance. Then after that, it's going to fall down and to give us another low than the previous one. Till now, don't enter yet. I'm talking here about investors. There is no entry yet. Unless if it came and breaking for us the last high. The last high which is here. That 24K. If it doesn't break it for us, there is no entry. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's go in now to the daily to show you more what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the daily, guys, as you see, that candle is closed here. And it closed bullish, indicating market is going to go more higher. And I told you, that level here, you need to make a close eye at it, that one here at 24K, if it's going to be broke or no. And also here, that level where we are here is a very, very, very stronger level. That level where it is, that candle, that one. If it doesn't break it, there is no entry yet. Look at it, even here. Last time here, when it came to it, then after that he dropped. Last time here, he came to it, then after that he dropped. Last time he came to it, then after that he dropped. All those times he being stronger supply and demand zone. It's not being touched once or twice. It's being touched 3 times, guys. Look at it. Here the 1, here the 2, here the 3, and now we are the 4th time. So you need to make a close eye. It's stronger like that one down here, that one down here. Even that one, it's being touched how many times? Look at it. Here 1, 2, 3, and here the 4th one. Even that one is very stronger level, guys. It's being touched the 4th time now. Now, I tell it to you, it's very simple. Either the market to come to break for us high and it's going to give us here a W like that, or another scenario, and it's going to be the best scenario no one wanted. That one, all the correction is going to be just another high. Then the market is going to fall down to give you another low, lower than the previous low, which is here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my chart, how it is. That's my chart, guys. We are very, very close to that channel. That channel here is very, very stronger channel. By the way, that channel, it's been falling for long. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, that channel here, how it's been. That one I'm talking about, that channel here with yellow. You are in the top of it here. Now, the lower of it is down here at 12K. Till now, also we are not going to go upward, guys. Because that going up like that, very sharp, it's indicating one or two. There is a manipulation in the market, or the big whales, they know something which us we don't know. That's the only thing I can tell you. Maybe the big whales, they know the inflation which is going to come that week is going to decrease now, or is going to come lower than the previous ones. Maybe that one is going to push our way up, because if it came, the inflation, it came lower in the previous months, the Bitcoin is going to go higher. Maybe them, they know something which us we don't know. But till now, us we are not sure. Us we are small investors or retail investors. You need to know you are not just going to push the money, because you swimming with big sharks, guys. Those people, they know what they do. When they got the tools, you don't go. You get me? That's what I'm trying to tell you here. So you need to be sure which the time you're going to enter. There is not just came and put your money there. Forget about other people. Other people, they just tell you what you want to hear. Us here, look at it. Here, what you seeing? What you seeing here? That's a channel or no? Yes, it's a very clear channel here. He touches here, he touches here, he touches it in the top here, and he touches it in the top here. Now there is one of two. Either the price of the Bitcoin here to come to break for us that channel, and to break for us the 200 moving average that is going to go higher, maybe till here. If it's not, there is no entry yet. Remember my word. If it doesn't break for us that channel here, there is no entry yet. It might just break it like that, then it will go inside it. When you're going to be sure it's break it, I tell it to you to give you here a W like that. It's going to be a double bottom, and the top of it is going to be here, and the price of the Bitcoin to come and to break for you here, a candle to come and to close above that level here at the right time for you going to know. And that time I think the 200 moving average is going to be next to it. Till now there is a tell it to you, one of two. That move is a trap, then the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Or another thing, the big whales, they know something which us we don't know. That's the only thing I can tell you. And here, look at it with me here, in that zone here, what you see in here. If you bring it like that and like that, what you see in here. Forget about the past. Here, what you see. You got a triangle like that, guys. So it's need that one to come and to break it for you here, in that zone. If it doesn't break it, there is no entry yet, guys. If you enter, here is going to be the target of you here in that zone at 32. Okay, everything is in front of you. We explain to you as if we explain to small children, for everyone to understand. Caring about your money as if they are my money. That's what I told you. If you are a small investor, just they say, know what you're doing. If you are a positional trader and you are a trader, not yet. It's still time. Remember my word, and I tell you those things as if I'm talking to my brother. It's not yet. I told you, one of two. The big whales, they know something, us we don't know it. I tell it to you, maybe you know the inflation is going to come positive. It will not come negative like the past months. Maybe that one is going to push away the Bitcoin. Or another thing, I don't know it. I know that the only thing is going to come. Because that one of, I forget his name, he said the inflation, even if it's going to come that month lower, that he tell them the inflation is going to come lower that month. So that the only news I know which is going to come that week, always if it's breaking for us here. That's the right time. Forget about other news. Till now the macroeconomics look very bad. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, we're still here at that zone. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, what it's doing now. I came here, still there. And here we got that long-term trend. I'm going to be sure the market is going to go higher when it's going to break for me that long-term trend. At the right time, I'm going to enter for long position. Till now, there is no entry, guys. Till now, we're still here. As I've been telling you, and if you've been following me for some time, I've been telling you, down here, we are in the control of the bears. Up here, we are in the control of the bulls. Till now, we're still in the wall in the middle. That means there is a war here happening between bulls and bears. We're going to control the market now. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, are you not yet subscriber? I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber to our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, as every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin, and we give you very, very in-depth analysis, not fibs, not drama. So give you very, very highly in-depth analysis, guys. Also, we are professional people. That's the job of us. That's what we do for a living. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button. Help us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very much. Let's continue it. And here, our indicator, guys, as you see it, what me have been telling you. I'm telling you here, is it at the oversold area? It's trying now to go out from it. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, what it's doing here, it tried to go out from that zone here of the oversold area. So now, what is it? As I tell it to you, need to wait in the breaking up, guys. If it doesn't breaking up, there is no entry. Yes, you're going to withstand the enter from here or something, but to enter, you are sure better than just throwing your money. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for the daily. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours. For the picture to be more clear to you, here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see, the Bitcoin was it done for us here. Here, it breaking for us that channel as we used to have here in the 4 hours, that one. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, as you see it here. What it done for you here? Look with me. It break for the 200 moving average and he break for us here that channel. Yes, it stay here ranging here. Then he came and he break it. But look at the candle. It's showing here that a indecision candle. So it might that one just a trap, that fake breakout, guys. It might now it's going to come down. Remember my word. What me I'm telling you. What else we give you, no one can give it to you. Why? It might that one just a trap because look with me here. What you see in here. Here in the previous level here, what you see? Very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. He came down to it. Look how many times he stayed ranging here. Then after that, he dropped. How are you going to be sure that it's not a fake breakout? The Bitcoin to came to that level here, that supply and demand zone here. That one, look at it very close with me. How we started? Started from that candle here to that one here. The Bitcoin to do one thing, to come here to that supply and demand zone. Then after that, to go upward, to break for you the last high here, which is here. At the right time, you're going to know it's breaking for you and it's going higher, guys. Till now, it might that one just a fake breakout. Also, we don't enter from the top. Also, we enter from corrections. Even if it's an uptrend, also we enter from down. Everything is too clear, guys. I think everything is too clear till now. And here in my chart, I show it to you what I told you. I told you it's breaking for us here, that 200 moving average and that channel here, as you see it here. But it might that one just a trap, but also we got here another channel here in the top. And that one is going to be another scenario. That one to come to the top of that channel here. Then after that to come to the 200 moving average. Then after that to go upward to break for you the last high, another time to enter long. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it here, what it indicating to us. Us, we are at the overbought area, guys. And us, we don't enter when is it that indicator, exactly that one with the setting we are using in it at the overbought area. And I'll show you in the previous videos that indicator is very, very, very rare entering here at the overbought area. And when it's entered, there is a big crash coming. I show you all those things in the previous videos. So make a close eye at it. Where you can enter. You enter when is it here at the middle here, and it's indicating the market will go up, and the chart is indicating for you it's breaking for you the last high. That's the right time for you to enter, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator did the same thing. Look at it. Is it at the overbought area, guys? Look what you see in here. It's zoom it here. What you see in here. Is it at the overbought area? And the Bitcoin chart, is it at the 200 moving average? No matter how long it will go in, there is a correction coming. No matter how long it's staying here, there is a correction coming. Like how it's happening here. What me have been telling you. No matter how long it's staying down at the oversold area, there is a correction coming. That's what's happening here. Now you are at the overbought area. There is a correction coming. No matter how long it's taken here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, the picture is more clear, guys. As you see it. Here what I got that level here in 30 minutes. And you are in it here. And here if we zoom it, let's zoom it like that. Here. As you see, guys, here, what the market indicating for you here. It's indicating there is a reverse coming, guys. Why? Because it touch here, that supply and demand zone. And a lot of people, they taking profit here in those levels. Everything is in front of you, guys. There is nothing hard here. And another thing here, let's show it to you here. What you see in here in that zone. If you bring in a line like that, and from here, a line like that. That's a triangle here in 30 minutes, guys. I show you thousands of times how to trade it, but it's need to come the price to break either down here. So you're going to come, you calculate it from here to here, and you make the target down, or it needs to break for you up. The same thing. That a triangle here in 30 minutes, guys. Look at it, very, very, very clear. So now what? You are in a very stronger level here, which is here. The market give you here a price action, a triangle or a wedge or name it whatever you want. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling you, guys. Our indicator is telling you are at the overbought area. So now what you need to do? The first condition, you are in a stronger level. That's the first condition. Second condition, You got a price action. Hasn't been complete yet. Yes, I am with you. But if it's breaking for you lower now, you enter short, my friend. If it's breaking for you now lower of that triangle as we're drawing here in the chart, that one here, you enter short. Why? Because that one here, it's indicating even here, if you see here with me, here and here, what you see, there's a divergence, guys, as you see it in front of you. I don't want to bring you here MACD on those things, but it's a very clear divergence indicating that the market is going to fall down. Everything is too clear. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to it. In the description of that video, there is the source code of that indicator, and even in that video, we show you how to install that indicator in your trading view. So go and get it and install it in your trading view. The only things, don't change nothing in the setting of it. Leave it like how it is now. And it's going to give you the same result like how we explained to you now. So I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. So that's it for today's video. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now.